Hi, welcome back to the Real Power channel. I'm Don Smith. This week we're out at World of Concrete 2020 and I'm debuting Real Power's brand new secure truck feature. Let me show you how it works. One of the issues our clients raised was being able to secure their truck while they were away from it. So we engineered a new solution that integrates directly with our existing control system. Let me hop in here and I'll show you how it works. All right, we'll start a system up like normal. Turn the key on the truck. Push in the parking brake, hit the PTO switch. Our system's up and running, just like it always has. The new part is, I can take the key out, open the door, walk away, and lock the truck behind me. And that's our secure truck feature. We're really excited about it, and we know you will be too. For more information, please call the number below or check us out online at realacpower.com. For the Real Power channel, I'm Don Smith. Thanks for watching.